first thing you want to do is brush your hair out, get a nice hair tie. Flip your head over. You're going to gather a ponytail on top of your head. Okay, get it positioned right. And now what you're going to start doing is pulling this hair right here loose. Start pulling. Pull all the way around. Just loosen it from the ponytail. Now you want to keep the hair at the crown of your head centered, okay? So you're only wanting to pull the hair on the top layer, okay? So just keep pulling all the way around. I'm going to get it kind of poofy. Make sure you do the back too. Okay, now that once you